Alright guys, so got a call. It's around 5 o'clock in the evening. One unit in the back where they have lunch wasn't getting any heat. So when I got up here, there was a 75 code, which I don't hear on these rooftop units. This is a Lennox L series. So basically, it was a high limit. That was the issue. I have the power off right now, but when I get it back on, I'll show you. These are stackable boards. So the code rate will come up right there, and then your reference is right on the inner door here. So when I got over here, and grab my flashlight. So basically, this motor had no belt on it, and you can see it's in the back there. So we're gonna put a new belt on, and the problem is this isn't the original motor. These are three-phase motors, and if you come down here and you look how orange that tag is, it was running without a belt for quite some time. So basically the windings were overheating. It was getting pretty hot. So hopefully when we get this belt on and get everything started up, this motor actually starts up. But it actually took a beating because of the fact that it was running high RPMs with no belt, no resistance. So I'm hoping this thing fires up. If not, we're gonna most likely have to put a new motor on. So that's where we are. I'll keep going, but yeah, these units aren't too bad. They lasted all these years. Just a simple spark ignition, nothing real fancy. That actually looks like it's the original. It's a G7. And then you see there's, when I came up here in the summertime, I got a couple units on the other side on the main roof. But you can see these wasps and hornets are making nests all through these things. There's actually one right on that burn. So what they do too, I constantly got to look inside here where the exhaust is, because they like to burrow inside of there in the summertime. So one back there. So we got to kind of like scrape all this stuff out beginning of the I actually never worked on this one yet, so we'll have to get that out before we fire this thing up. So what I'm gonna do, got a new belt here, so we're just gonna put the belt on. Some guys like to leave these too loose. I'm going to leave it snug with a little bit of play, and we'll go from there. Fire it up, and I'll try to tape it. Alright, so got the new belt on. This you can spread out the set, except skinnier or wider belts. Feels pretty good. So what you want to do, guys, is make sure, let me get my light in here, see if you can see that, but make sure that you're in line with that. Otherwise, you have to take this set screw out and move your shims out, and then move this in or out to make sure we're aligned. Otherwise, you'll keep blowing belts. So, I mean, I don't know if you can see this because of this damn light, but I mean, I got play in it. But it's snug. If it's not snug, you guys are leaving them too loose. This is going to just spin past, and you're not, the blower's not going to be picked up at all. And then you're going to go out on high limit, or you're going to throw a belt. So don't leave them too loose. All right. So we're going to power this thing up. Three-phase, everything's clear. So the motor did come on. So, did work. It's actually still warm. So what I'll do, the thermostat is off downstairs. Sorry, this is my phone. So we'll I'm just gonna jump this out on the heat side only. Let's see if we get this thing to fire up. So, indicator for heat lit up. Gonna go for ignition. Hopefully it didn't burn out the ignition box. That's what happens after so many trials, and that's an old one, so we'll find out in a minute here. Inducer's proving a switch. Here it should be firing up shortly. Alright, there you go. So just burn that out. Still arcing the flame. Once that picks up that flame, it's going to send millivolts back to the box as a ground to indicate the flame reached the end of the burner. So the motor should come on soon. So everything looks good, it's firing up. We'll just wait for that contactor to pull that three-phase motor in, and hopefully. Not too bad, another easy one. So here goes your three-phase motor contacts. Here goes your two compressors, high and low stage compressor. There goes your capacitors. I don't know what that's all about. Missing a leg there, missing a leg there on that motor. I'll have to look into that wire diagram. Really weird. That looks like it's just kind of like, maybe they're jumping both of them. I'll have to look into that. Transformer, resettable, so it's got a built-in breaker. So everything, this is going to be, it's going to be a wrap. So again, this is a Rooftop combo L series. These things are old. I know they had big problems with their heat exchangers, so did Carrier. And there's probably about 20 units on this roof. And we got a main roof up there with about 14 units. All right, see you on the next one.